Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at problem 68 from Chapter 7 of University Physics Volume 2 by OpenStax. Okay, so we have two parts. The first one, we need to find the electric field. We have a distance, we have a charge, and we're told that the field is equivalent to that of a point charge at the center of the terminal. Then, at that distance, we need to find the force that field exerts on a charge. Okay, so let's write what we know. There we go. I'm going to put the pen on. Okay, so we have an R, a distance of 5 meters away from the charge. The charge is 3 millicoulombs. That needs to be converted. And then we know it's going to act like a point charge. And we need to find the electric field. So part A is find electric field. Okay, the electric field due to a point charge is kq over r squared. Okay, so K is 8.99 times 10 to the 9 Newton meters squared per coulomb squared. Q is 3 millicoulombs. We're going to convert that to coulombs. So I'm going to replace the M with a times 10 to the minus 3. That will be coulombs. And divide all that by the distance, which is 5 meters. And we need to square that. Okay, I did that computation. I got 1.078 times 10 to the 6 newtons per coulomb. And I looked at the significant figures. Both of our values have 3. So let's make this 3 sig figs 1.08 times 10 to the 6 newtons per coulomb. Okay, so that is our answer. And we can put a little box around it. Okay, now part B, we need to find the electric force that this field puts on another charge. So what we can use, so let's put first find electric force. Okay, so we can use the force is the charge multiplied by the electric field it's sitting in. And so force is going to be the 2 microcoulombs, so we'll use 2.00. Have to convert the micros to coulombs, so we'll replace micro with a times 10 to the minus 6. And then we have 1.08 times 10 to the 6 newtons per coulomb. And we find a force of 2.16 newtons on the charge that sits in the electric field created by the original charge. Okay, that's going to do it for that problem. I hope you found it informative and helpful and that you learned, and I will see you in the next one.